Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix controller input delay or lag in EAFC26. Start by opening Device Manager on your PC. You can do this by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Inside the list, find Display Adapters and click on it to expand the section. You will see one or more graphics drivers listed there. Right-click on your main graphics driver and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically so Windows can look for the newest version and install it. If there is another display driver listed, repeat the same update process for that one as well. After that, open Windows Settings. From the left side menu, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If updates are available, let them download and install fully. This helps improve system performance and stability. Next, right-click the Start menu again and open Run. Type %temp% and press OK. A folder with temporary files will open. Select everything inside and delete it. If some files cannot be removed, just skip them. Open Run one more time, type temp, and press OK. Delete all files in this folder as well to clear more unused data. Once this is done, restart your computer. This makes sure all changes are applied correctly. After your PC turns back on, launch EAFC26 and test your controller. The input delay should be much lower, and gameplay should feel smoother. Thanks for watching.